How to fix Binance verification pending. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix the Binance verification pending issue on your account. If you're trying to complete your KYC, know your customer, verification and it's stuck on pending for a long time, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, make sure that the information you've provided during the verification process is accurate and matches your official documents. Check your ID details, ensure the name, address, and date of birth you entered match your identification documents. Clear photos. If you uploaded ID images, ensure they are clear and not blurry. Incorrect or mismatched details are a common reason for delays in verification. Binance verification usually takes up to 24 hours, but it must be during business days, Monday to Friday. If you've submitted your documents on a weekend or holiday, your verification might take a bit longer. Open the Binance app or website and go to the Notifications tab. Sometimes, Binance might send you updates or requests for additional information to complete your verification. If your verification has been stuck for more than 48 hours, it's time to contact Binance support. Scroll to the bottom of the Binance app or website and tap Support. Select Get Support, then describe your issue as Verification Pending. Binance will connect you with live chat support, where a representative can assist you in resolving the issue. When reaching out to support, provide clear details about your issue and include screenshots if necessary. Be polite and patient when interacting with Binance support team, they're there to help. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Binance verification pending issue and get verified quickly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.